You had a better cadence starting lighter. Yeah, you got nowhere to start. I was tripping. He beating the trainer. So what happens when you try to go too hard, too fast. All right, so I'm backing out of the garage right now, heading to the gym. As you can see, it's super dark outside. It's about 3:45 a.m. I work out pretty much at least Monday through Friday minimum. Try to go from 4 a.m. to about 5:15. And this video is a little bit different. I'm about to just put you through my workout. You can try it out if you like, but just give you a little bit of behind the scenes of my personal workout. What I do today, we're gonna do a little full body workout. So yeah, stay tuned, just follow the workout, and let's get to it. Quick warm up right here. Stairmaster. See, the gym is empty at this time. That's why I like going. Touch it each time and then twist. Yep. Yeah, then twist it up. 10 on each side. All right, so we're doing landmine twists, 10 on each, and then we're gonna do side shuffles. Like I said, today is gonna be full body workout, so we're hitting a little bit of everything. You know, boy, Alex, he hitting those. Do the shuffles. Oh, this lighting sucks right here. I'm gonna try this. Side shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sheesh. Feel a little better that way. Split it, not really.
Doesn't work out.
No, don't. It don't feel better. Yeah.
This is a good workout.
Oh. Yep, twist. Drop it. 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Music licensing reimagined.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Artlist.io.
This one you gotta make sure you do both sides. Don't want to miss up one side of the body.
Music licensing reimagined.
one. Yeah. Oh. Come on now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Music licensing reimagined.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He did a little extra. I said, I ain't gonna say that, I'm gonna let him do a little extra. Cause you was going all the way down. On your shuffle, you was going down more, huh?
Yeah.
How was you doing it? On the video, she went a little further.
Yeah. 2 hours for the session.
Oh, yeah. Hold on.
Artlist
She did like
IO.
all the way down, like here. She went like basically to the end and touch. Yeah, I ain't do that. I just, I just did a little. All right. I do it over. It's that one. This one.
Music licensing
Yeah.
reimagined.
Yeah. I could be at home sleeping. I want to be at home sleeping. Shit. I've been getting like 3-4 hours of sleep this week, man. It's been rough. Not okay. Not okay. Need at least 5, 6. But I haven't taken little naps throughout the day though. I'd rather get it straight through than anything. Yeah, that ain't a recipe for.
That's not sustainable for a long period of time.
That's not a recipe. Yeah. Yeah, recipe for disaster. That's what it is. Waking up this early. You better be in bed by 9 if you can. See, I had all the intentions of doing my push-ups in between that, but
Especially when you speed them up,
yeah, it's a lot.
put them together.
Yeah, I'm like, nah, I'll have to hold off on it. In my head, I'm like, all right, I'm about to do like 30 push-ups in between. Said, nah, not this time.
Full body workout.
Yeah.
Like my ass getting sore, my lower back getting tight.
Yeah, damn.
It's more stretching. Boy.
Yeah. Yeah, I need to stretch this weekend.
We got one more set.
Nah, it was only 3 of those. We can do another one. Nah. Hopefully we finish the whole thing today. The deadlift to the row. Yeah, we can do it out here. Yeah, you just deadlift. Did you do it last time? Yeah. Yeah, you just roll it up, stand up. Now dumbbell row, then stand up. Yep. Now for these, I probably do push-ups in between. Hopefully. You'll see here. Those 50s get heavy. So, yeah, those 50s get heavy. Yeah, probably shouldn't have.
Started off after do the first 6 sets.
Yeah, we should progressively go up instead of starting high, tripping. Shit. Eyes burning. Yeah. shit. I'm sweating like you be sweating there. I feel like I'm doing something now. Need to work out outside more often. Feel like you putting in some work. You be drenched. I be like, dang. I'm not working hard enough or what? I ain't sweating like that. Yeah. At least 6. Yeah, I ain't going up. Keeping my weight. I'll go down if anything. Oh, it's gonna get rough. Right. When the weight get a little too heavy, it's good to drop the weight. Get your ego aside. Go lighter. Have better form. Form is starting to get compromised. I gotta go lighter on mine. At least 45, 40. What? Oh shit. Yeah, it's way too hot to be playing out here. 118.
Setting records. So now, gotta get a little extra moisture out here.
Yeah, cause that's crazy. Yeah, I be inside the whole day, so I don't even be going outside. So I don't know what it is. 118, it's crazy. Fuck it, I'll stay at the same way. I don't feel like walking over there and switching my way. Gotta suck it up. That's a big reason I ain't play football. It's so hot. Arizona, I'm like, I ain't about to be outside. I'm going right inside with air conditioning. Basketball. Ain't gotta be full pads. Yeah, I ain't doing all that. All right. I said I was gonna go down, but a little lazy, so I gotta suck it up, make sure the stuff is right. I'll go down on the next one. You had a better cadence starting lighter. Yeah, you got nowhere to start. I was tripping. He beating the trainer. So what happens when you try to go too hard, too fast. I dropped all the way down to 35, so it's a lot better. You wonder why I'm doing so many push-ups. I try to have a daily habit of doing 200 push-ups a day. So I try to mix it into my workout. You see why I'm keep dropping down and doing push-ups. It's just a little habit I try to have. You know.
I just break it up throughout my workout. All the push-ups. Man. At 20s?
It's 15, right?
Shit, I don't know. Probably. Yeah. Yeah, it's 15, yeah.
It's 15, so yeah.
Smart. Smart as hell today. God damn.
I walked in, I knew it was Friday.
Yeah. See, I didn't do this workout last week.
Oh, no?
No, I got sick, remember?
Oh, yeah, you was.
Yeah, so you got a better understanding of it right now.
You see why I skipped some of my food?
Yeah. I'm like, what the hell? I was gonna go up on the landmine. I'm like, nah, let me not. Yeah, you gotta understand it. This next one we're gonna do dumbbell hammer curls into a cable chop. So a little strength and a little core, upper body strength core. Sweating my eyes. See, we're in Phoenix, Arizona. It was 118 degrees yesterday, so it's a little crazy. Now we feel it. It's 4:30 a.m. now. It's probably about at least 100. 105. I feel like 37 is heavy, but maybe not. Ain't too bad. That ain't too bad, but it is. It got some weight on there, but it. Sweat my eyes. Can't even identify what droplets is it now. It's usually yours. I can't even tell now. It's usually your sweat droplets. Not today. All right, y'all, so that was a full body workout right there. Go ahead and try it out yourself and let me know, man, if you need any help with your health and fitness. I'll put a link below and then we can actually have a chat. I got a free guide for you guys called the Master Your Physique Playbook. I'll put that in the link as well. And yeah, go ahead and download that. I'll put it in the link in here. Hope y'all enjoyed that workout. Now it's time to get my day going, but I just want to give you a little sneak peek of what, you know, behind the scenes look, and check out this next video. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out of here. Peace.